Hi, now I'm going to show you how to use the fast transition pack. Here we're on your Premiere Pro, make your sequence, make your project, and put your videos. Go to the file, open project, and choose the fast transition pack. Double click. Wait a second to open it up. Now, here the folders, the categories. You can see you start with number 10 shapes. Double click and make it like this. Make sure that this insert and override sequence unchecked. Enable V2 and V3. Drag and drop. Oh, that's too small. Let's zoom a bit. The cut. And drag and drop it in timeline on the cut. It works great. This is the soundtrack. If you want, you can remove it simply. Choose deleted. Choose one of, for example, this one here. Very good. Move on to the next category. Zoom. Let's see the preview. For example, zoom number 3. Sometimes it brings this image preview. Simply just delete it. Nothing serious. Just delete. See the transition. Move on to the next category. Slide. Make it a bit bigger. Okay, this one. Oh, doesn't match. The cut should match the transition. See, so simple. Move on to the next category. Stretch. See. Move on to the rotate. Make it big. To the end of the folder. For example, this one. So beautiful, so easy to use. Just drag and drop. Move on to the rolling. One thing that I should notice for the rolling category, to work perfect, you should nest the videos. You should cut, nest the left side, and nest the right side. Exactly the part of the video that under the transition. Nest this part only. It works perfectly. Move on to the, let's try one more. this. Make a cut, nest, and the nest, and there is one. That's okay. Move on. Sorry. RGB, one of my favorite categories. So special. Drag and drop. And there is one. Well. So move on. Going faster. Light filler. No. Oh, no. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So beautiful. Move on to the next category. Glitch. Glitch. I love glitch. Number 3. So beautiful. Very nice. And the last category is combine. The combine is for sure it's a combine of uh, some transition, some of the, for example, glitch and RGB glitch and slide rolling and zoom. The mix of two or three categories. Or one, for example, this. Uh, See, sometimes it brings the previous image, just delete it. In the combine, if you see that your transition don't work correctly, it's like the rolling. It's like the rolling. Make a cut on your video, nest them, uh, and it works. Nothing serious and special to worry about. Just cut and nest. Choose one of them. For example, this one. It's the combine of RGB and slide. Drag and drop it. Very beautiful. Choose one more. For example, this one. It doesn't work correctly. It's not the thing that shows here. You know. So make a cut. Nest the video. And boom. And that's it. One thing I want to show you that is how to change the resolution of your transition. For example, you want to use it in 4K, HD, Full HD, square. For example, I want to show you how to use it in square, maybe vertical, portrait, for stories. First, you choose one transition and drag it here. We find the change resolution sequence in our project. Double click on that, open it up, go to sequence setting, and it's HD. Make it a 1080 by 1080, my sequence resolution. Okay, and see here, it works with your resolution, and you just do it once, not for every single transition you use. Move on to the choose one more category, for example slide number 22. And that's simple. So you choose the change resolution sequence that is in your project, not in the one in the transition project. Don't change this. Change the one in your project. Okay,